Is your Action Center popping up again and again on Windows 11 or 10? Let's fix that with a few quick and easy steps. Step 1. Run the DeviceDiagnostic tool. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. In the Run box, type msdt.exe -id DEVICEDIAGNOSTIC, then press Enter. The Troubleshooter window will open. Click Next. Now click Apply this fix when the option appears. Click Next again, then click Enable, and finally click Close. Step 2. Run System File Checker, SFC and DISM commands. Now let's run a scan to check and repair any corrupted system files. Search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. When asked, click Yes. Now copy the first command from the video description, sfc/scano. Paste it in the command prompt by pressing Ctrl+V, then press Enter. This scan may take some time. Wait until it reaches 100%. Once the scan is complete, move on to the next command. Copy this command from the video description, dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health again. Paste it using Ctrl+V and press Enter. Let this run fully until it also reaches 100%. Once it's done, close the command prompt. Step 3. Perform a clean boot search for msconfig in the Start menu and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Now click on Disable All to turn off all non-Microsoft services. Click Apply, then click OK. You'll be asked to restart your PC. Click Restart. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.